talking about a position that everybody ends up in at one point or another. Off a bad shot, we're just grappling, and you end up with your arm around one leg. So I take my shot, he sprawls, puts his hips in, and 100% of us have done this at one time or another. We have this hand on the leg, and we feel like we can keep driving. But he's just gonna sprawl harder and keep pushing my head down. And we're gonna get stuck under here. That leg is like the ex that you think about texting every now and then. It's moved on to better things. It's settled down, probably has a couple of kids by now. So we're gonna let that leg go, okay? So we're gonna get stuck under here. Sprawl, he's pushing his hips in. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this far arm and I'm gonna post up and get my head and chest as high as possible, okay? Now, a lot of people might wanna step up on this leg, but if I try and drive from here, he's just gonna sprawl harder, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, once I get here, I'm gonna bring my near side leg up and I'm gonna try and wrestle up. I'm gonna move my hand to his body and get back to my feet, or I can keep the leg if possible, okay? So we're here, I shoot, he sprawls. No good. Post up, near side leg, stand, and I work my way back up to standing and separate, okay? One more time. Shoot, he sprawls. I push up, near side leg, and I start wrestling up. Bobby, break out the makeup kit.